EIRSAT-1 is Ireland's first satellite and was launched on the 1st of December 2023.
The European Space Agency had a call for students who want to pitch an idea for a satellite. So we applied, we were successful. It started in 2017. Since then, we've been designing, building, testing, and eventually last year we got to launch EIRSAT-1. We all travelled to Vandenberg Space Force Base in California to watch the launch. That was just incredible. All the long nights, all the test campaigns, all the documentation that you write, everything just came to a head when that rocket took off. This is a model of EIRSAT-1, and in fact this is the real size of EIRSAT-1. It's not a scale model, but with that we do a lot of really interesting research and science. A really exciting moment for us came in August of this year when the satellite actually detected 2 gamma ray bursts within about an hour of each other. So it was our first and second detection, one after the other. These gamma rays have been travelling across the universe for 3 billion years, and in August we got a signal here in UCD about that.
Gamma ray bursts are explosions that happen all over the universe. They happen every day and they tell us that a star is exploded or merged with another star. And when one of those things happen, we detect something called a gamma ray burst, which is a flash of gamma ray radiation. And to detect those, you have to be in space. And this is why we built the gamma ray detector, which is on EIRSAT-1. In August, we actually detected 2 gamma ray bursts, and this is fantastic for us because we've demonstrated that our instrument has done what it was designed to do in orbit. It's still working up there, and we hope to detect more gamma ray bursts before the end of the mission.
So we have our control room here in UCD. Twice a day we get the satellite passing over, and our operators, who are students in our groups, they're actually controlling the satellite in orbit.
The biggest beneficiaries have been our students who've worked on the mission, and also the next generations of our students are learning all the things we've learned, how to design, build, test and operate a mission. In terms of policy impact, this has opened up the space debate in the Dáil. For the very first time we had our politicians talking about space, and that hopefully will pave the way for a full space legislation in the future that will allow us to build more satellites and become a much more space-focused economy than we are at the moment.